Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Equilibrium questions get easy fast when you track heat and moles because one smart comparison tells you which change makes more NO2 at equilibrium. According to Le Chatelier's principle, the system shifts to oppose whatever change you make. So we check which option pushes this equilibrium toward the product side, where NO2 appears. Now count gas moles in the balanced equation. The left side has 3 total moles, 2 NO plus 1 O2, while the right side has only 2 moles. Therefore, decreasing the volume increases pressure, and the equilibrium shifts toward the side with fewer gas moles, which is the product side, making NO2. Well done! Option D! Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush, trust given information, and check steps so pressure shifts toward fewer gas moles.